Um, eat your rice. Can you eat a piece of? Can you eat a piece of vegetable? No. Can you eat some pork chop? Watch. Here, we'll do this. You want some? Oh, yum yum yum. There you go. Oh, good job. What you have in your hand, Kieran? Is it your spoon? You eating with a spoon? Yeah. You want Daddy's fork? Yes. I'm eating the same thing you are, buddy. Mmm. Good job.